What is going on, everyone? It's your boy Ernest Mampana, and you're back on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at US30 and also Nasdaq. If you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. But if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to this channel. Without wasting much time, let us get straight into it.
Okay, bad guy, but I will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in marble hall is like a movie. I knew it and I did it.
Thank you so much for choosing this video. If you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to this channel. On the screen right now, I already have Nasdaq. So let's get straight into the analysis. As you can see, guys, as I say always, I start on a bigger time frame, such as daily time frame. So I'm just going to be drawing my trend lines right here. Cool. So we can see here we have our first touch, second touch, and we just broke out here. We didn't confirm yet. So let me just do this. Let me just put this one right here. So we didn't confirm that. We are still waiting for a confirmation, and if that's the confirmation, it's a valid confirmation, then we are expecting to see more moves to the upside after a correction. Then we can expect more moves to the upside, at least up until this area right here. As I said on a daily time frame, that we are expecting to see the market reaching this area. Yes, we are expecting to see the market reaching that area only if we get enough confirmation that this is indeed a valid breakout. We are going to have a correction somewhere here for the market to breathe before it can impulse to the upside again. Let's continue with the analysis. I can further have this. It's a good one, and that's the reason why I decided to not have this trend line crossing here. So on a 4-hour time frame we have that, and again, one thing that stands out for me also is this area right here. Very important. As I said, market might still play around before it goes up, but I would like to see the market going up and then finally dropping before we can go up again. That is also a possibility. So let's look on an hour time frame. If what I'm spotting is indeed the right thing, we can expect the market to bounce here and then drop from there up until these areas, or these areas right here, because we know the market doesn't just go straight. It will give us something like this. Yeah, something like that. So the market must still come back to that area, and actually I'm waiting for that. As long as we don't break out of this channel, I'm still expecting the market to bounce. I'm still expecting the market to bounce there and then come back to this area right there. But should the market break, then that would confirm our breakout on the bigger channel, and then we already know that from there we are expecting to get our target around this area, of which this would be a swing trade, of course. Again, instead of the market reaching this area right here, something else could happen, and that something could be something like this. So we can have this move to the upside up until only here, and then have that one like that. So from here we're going to wait and see exactly which one comes first. This one wouldn't excite me, but this one right here, yeah, it will add value, because I know now from there there are high possibilities that we might go to the downside, and also my stop loss would be just around, so that if what I'm seeing is not correct, then I wouldn't lose much, because this is Nasdaq, rather than entering here and have my stop loss all the way up there. Either way, this is what I'm looking at. So we're just going to wait and see exactly what is happening. This is Nasdaq. So let's move to US30. On the screen right now I have US30, and as always, let's start on a bigger time frame. So I will switch to a daily time frame as well. So same thing that is happening on Nasdaq, seems like it's happening also on US30. However, on US30 we are still approaching this trend line right here to get the third touch, while on Nasdaq we already broke, but we are still waiting for the confirmation. So we have this channel right there, and also I would like to mark this right here, so we can see that okay, the market just broke that, but also we are waiting to see if it will break this area right there. So let's switch to a 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame we have something like this, and what I like to do normally is to actually do this so that I would know where the market has been and exactly what is going on right now. So you can see that the market is moving in a series of like impulse correction, so it will never be straight. Although this move to the upside is there, but we can see, comparing to the move to the downside, like let's look at this move right here, it was a solid move to the downside, but this move to the upside is very corrective. So we are not even 100% sure that we will break here. What I would like to do from here is to see if we break, but if we don't break, just like Nasdaq, we are waiting to see more moves to the downside, at least up until these areas right here, before now we can see the market going up again. And the reason why I chose that area is because of this possible continuation pattern right here that I'm seeing right here. Most of those who are doing SMC, smart money concept, will know exactly why am I choosing that area right there. So I'm waiting for the market to at least come back to this area, and once that is done, then we can continue going up if we are going up. But for as long as the market didn't break this outer channel, we are still going to expect more moves to the downside. If the market, however, break this outer channel with a valid confirmation, then we can expect a correction and a continuation to the upside. So should that happen, just like Nasdaq, we are going to get our profits at this area right here. So we're going to wait up until the market gets here, of which we will be swinging this trade right here. You can see I didn't even have to go to a smaller time frame to confirm what I'm seeing right here, because we haven't broke out of the outer structure. So we're just going to wait and see if the market retraces here, and if it doesn't, we are waiting for a confirmation. With a valid confirmation, then that's when we continue with this move to the upside. If you have reached up until this very end of this video, thank you so much. Be sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, let me know down there in the comment section what you feel about this video, and also what you see on this pairs. My name is Ernest Mampana, and I will come back during the week with more update as to how is this pair playing out.
This thing in my hole is like a movie. I knew it and I did it. Do it, I can do it. Yes, I can do it, I can do it.